everybody, my name is Mitch Buchanan. Welcome to Rookie School. Today for the starting exercise, we're going to take a race around the sandbar twice. I want everyone to be really careful. It's dangerous. There's lots of sharp objects in the sand like shells and whatnot. I've got a first aid kit here in case any of you get injured. Just come to me and I can fix you up.
I'm Jill and I'm super stoked about this course.
I'm Megan, I'm from China.
Nice to meet you, Megan.
Hi, I'm Shawnee and I've been waiting to save lives my entire life.
All right, ladies, punishment time. So I want you to do 20 high knees. They're gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Counting on the second knee every time. All right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, come here.
11. It's good. Oh, help!